response.status is a 401 dot, and let's do this. JSON 401 detail is okay. So I'm just getting an error view. That's it. Okay. User failed to log in. That seems good enough. Okay, so let's try this. Admin at example.com. Okay, so all sorts of errors. Oh, 401. User failed to log in. And it doesn't tell me why. Oh, that's great. I mean, this is exactly what I wanted to on the... This is exactly what I wanted to see on the front end, but not what I wanted to see. So illegal arguments, string of undefined. Interesting. Do we try email? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's try this again. Adminexample.com. It's saying that there's no... Okay. Let's try this. First or fail. I don't think that there's technically one of these in Adonis, but user.where is not a function. Yep, query dot where. Oh, yield is missing. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I can just go back to this, right? Hopefully. Oh, wait. Hello. I'm logged in. You see that? I got my access token. This is that's actually really exciting. So step 1, JWT sending is working. I've got what I think is pretty, hopefully idiomatic looking kind of code. So grabbing different things from the request. This is actually what I show my students, even when they're doing server rendered, is destructuring makes that a lot easier rather than having to grab each one of those individually. And you don't have the security issue of just passing request.all into a bunch of objects. So the next part is getting the current user. Okay. API/user/current. Okay, so and all of a sudden I'm already wishing that, even though this was a proof of concept, I really wish that I had gotten I'd started using controllers. I mean, it's never too late to start, but yeah. So JSON API isn't a programming language. It's actually a specification. So if you go to jasonapi.org, the title is a bit of a joke, but it's a structured version of building APIs. So it's kind of an idea of how to structure your APIs. It's, I think, probably to some degree, a GraphQL, it takes a different mindset than GraphQL does. Actually, I'm not doing any HTML. So I'm just sending over string data. But so GraphQL gives you kind of a little bit of more kind of queries from the front end, but it adds a lot of complexity to support it on your server. Andy, yes, I do hope that Adonis supports it from the core. Expect, if not a pull request to core, at least a add-on that you can npm install very, very soon and very, very quickly. I'm hoping that at least what I have here, this middleware that adds JSON API, so that you can do it just like this, which I'll be using it again. I'm hoping to add that to core or to an add-on. Yep. Custom serializers for models. Let me look at this. Base serializer. I don't know that this really supports. Let me see. Yeah, so this is the query building serializer. So this is more of a view serialization layer. And I don't know that I'd want like user.toJSON or user.serialize to quite know that much. So yeah, that's at least partially my opinion. Expected a return function. Yeah, okay. Return. Return. Fine. I'll return the responses. Leon, I'm writing in JavaScript, and the front end that I've written is in JavaScript as well. But JSON API can be written and created from any language, so I'm actually sort of recreating something that is, I'm creating something that a tutorial that my friend created in Elixir and Phoenix, and I'm rebuilding this in Adonis because I'm actually teaching Adonis right now. So, okay, so users current. Let's go ahead and see. Auth check. Andy, do you know how to get the current user from the JWT? Nope, JavaScript. Okay, so Oh, this is basic auth, that's why. Hello. Nope, JWT has the same methods. Great, we got hard. No, that's maybe if I do this. Okay, let's try this. Yep, so I'm gonna route group auth required. I believe this should work. Response.send. Man, if this works this seamlessly, I'm gonna be really impressed. Const user equals. This is actually all just JavaScript right here, Leon. It's probably not JavaScript like you've seen before, but it is just JavaScript. Request dot, let's see, auth user. I think since I used the middleware right here, this should work. And by should work, I mean I'm going to try it out, and hopefully it does. So, API token is not found. Why is it not found? No route for API token. I'm going to try doing this. /users/current. Maybe the route groups, nested route groups, were freaking things out. Yep, they were. Leon, so yeah, nested groups aren't supported. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead, grab the user again. Ooh. Let me do this. I'm gonna delete all my local storage and all of my cookie storage. Go to auth login. Okay, so I've logged in, and then I made a network request to current, and it gave me everything I needed. So why am I failing? You tried to push data with the type of users, but no model could be found with that name. Ooh, wait a minute. What is this? Current user. Index, show current. Peep chat user view, data is user. Oh, okay. I guess, let's see, network. Attribute type users. Let me look at my front end. I'm not quite sure why. Why that wouldn't be accepted. You tried to push data with a type of users. What? Type should be user? I always thought it was pluralized. Let's see. No, data type is pluralized here. Let me double check that there's not something that I'm doing special within